Glowri Life, a brighter smile begins here. Start with clean, dry teeth, ensuring the surface is ready for optimal results. Open the sachet carefully. Inside, you'll find 2 whitening strips, designed for your upper and lower teeth. Peel first the lower short strip. Align it gently over your teeth along the gum line and press it into place. Fold the excess behind your teeth to secure it comfortably. Repeat the same process for the upper strip, ensuring even coverage for a balanced, consistent result. Leave the strips on for 30 to 60 minutes. Relax, and let the formula work its magic. Avoid eating or drinking during this time. Once time is complete, gently peel away the strips and discard them. Rinse and brush your teeth thoroughly, removing any remaining gel and revealing a clean, fresh finish. With consistent use over 14 days, experience a visibly brighter, more radiant smile. Glowri, confidence in every smile.